I will be doing a 3 Lives Marble Race Challenge. We have blue, green, and white. Choose which one you think will win. But choose wisely, because only one can win. We're all on the funnel. Oh, so we're finishing now. And all are finished. Who was the last one? Oh, it was blue. Wait. It was actually white. Yeah. White lost a life. I think white lost a life. I think white was the last one to finish.
Need instant replay?
Yeah, instant replay. How do you do that?
You have to look back on the video and see which one was the last one down the tube.
I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this, Mom.
Okay, so